Okay, I'm gonna make some homemade salsa. I'm gonna roast all my veggies in the little oven here. And yeah, I need to use that tomato. It's getting, well, let me put some olive oil down here first. That's a lot. Where's the paper towel? Okay. Put a little bit of olive oil on there. And this jalapeno is from my garden. And I need to cut up some onion. Okay, there's my veggies. Let's see, let's turn this on to bake, broil, toast. I think that's like making toast. I have no idea. We'll just play it by ear. Okay. All right, let's see what it's looking like. Already turned the tomatoes once. Turn the tomatillos. Jalapeno. Yeah. Looking good. Go just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna throw it in the blender. Okay, I'm gonna call that good. Yeah, my little tomatilla blew up. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the stem off that jalapeno. I wonder if I should take some of those seeds out. Probably. Let this cool off a little bit. Then I'll put it in the blender. Yeah. That looks good. Gouda. Oh, I just remembered I forgot the garlic. Of course I did. Oh well, I'll use garlic powder this time, and salt, pepper, maybe some chicken bouillon powder. Yeah, just gonna let this cool off just a little bit more. Okay, added everything to the blender. Got my little spices here. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Don't have any onion powder. I know I need salt. Pepper. Alright, let's blend this up and taste it, and then we'll go from there. Looks tasty. Let's see. Woo, it's hot. That was a lot of jalapeno, I guess, for that little bit of sauce. It's good, but it's hot. I think I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon. Not much. Actually, I don't even know how much to put in there. How about that much? And let's mix. I say that's good. Uh-oh, it's gonna fit, yeah. That's a little bit of salsa for today to go on our bean and meat burritos with a little sour cream and cheese and salsa. Good morning. I cut my hair. I always don't like it right when I cut it, but it is what it is, and it's free. So I didn't film yesterday. Well, the only thing I filmed was making the homemade salsa. It ended up being a little bit too hot with the burrito chili beans. So I thinned it down quite a bit with just some tomato sauce, a little bit of sugar, some more salt, garlic. Then it was tolerable. So I didn't show you our burritos. So this is what I have left over. This was full. So this morning we're going to have breakfast burritos with this. Bean and hamburger meat. Bean and meat burritos with a little bit of sour cream and cheese. And let me show you. I've never bought these flour tortillas. This is, here comes in. These are the ones that you actually cook. So you need to use these within 7 days. But they were pretty good. Yeah. A lot more expensive than just the Walmart tortillas. But I thought I'd bring you along for breakfast burritos this morning. My olive oil is in here. I just ran out, so I will just grease it with a little butter. There. There. Okay, I'm going to use this. Just 2 small breakfast burritos, so. We'll have leftovers. Eating 2 meals off of this. So I may go ahead and freeze this because I thawed out those chicken thighs. Finally. So that's probably what's going to be for lunch. Is that curry chicken. Is it true? Will it happen? We shall see. Okay, let me get this heated up. Got that all heated through. Now, have y'all ever had these tortillas before? You have to cook them. So I'm going to cook them slow. I did them one yesterday and I cooked it a little fast. Alright, I'll call that one good. A little bit of sour cream. Okay, that's a little bit more than I wanted. Some cheese. Tuck and roll. And roll. There's breakfast. Alright, that's great. Did I mention today was laundry day? Yeah. Laundry. So I needed a hole saw to drill down to in my shelf for my TV to put the plug down in it. So I didn't have one, and one thing that's cool about this RV park is they have a wood shop and a metal shop, and you can just come and get tools and things that you need. So I borrowed these. I didn't open that one. So I'm gonna take this and put it back where I found him. Isn't that cool? Let's go take these back. This door is kind of hard to open. Okay, I'm going into town. I have a light bulb out on my van. Brake light, maybe? And got it taken out, so I'm headed to the auto parts store and get a new light. And I have my list to go pick up those chicken quarters for 49 cents a pound. And they have a few things. Diced tomatoes with green chilies are cheaper than, they're 88 cents. Walmart's 96 cents. And they have tomato sauce, 3 for $1. Walmart, 3 of them are for $1.44. So I'm gonna pick up those. Always check your sales and buy just yourselves. And then you'll have it on hand. Also cheese, 2 for $3.50, and that's shredded or blocked. So usually, and I haven't checked the price. I didn't check it, but back when I was buying the blocks, they were $2 a block. So they'd be $4, so $3.50, save 50 cents there. And I'm gonna get some salad for one of the meals I'm got on the meal plan this week. So let's go to town. All right, this is the bulb. It's burned out, broken. Anyway, this is what I'm gonna go purchase. It's weird, it doesn't really look burned out. Anyway, I'm gonna go get one of these. I can't really tell because of that film on the bulb. Anyway, going to town for this. Well, look at Sammy. She says, I like the van. Alright, I got the bulb in. Alright, hit the brakes. Whoop. Well, that's it. Good deal. $3 for $1. 2. So these are 99 cents, but these are 88 cents. 88 cents. I think I'll get 2. What else? Tomato sauce, diced cheese. I got the salad and then the chicken. So cheese is a digital coupon. $2 for $3. What is it? Kraft. 2 for $3.50. I mean, Mexican, Italian, Mexican 4 cheeses. Colby Jack. I think that's what I'm gonna get.